In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Sugar We're Goin Down by Fall Out Boy off of their album From Under the Cork Tree. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott and I teach aspiring guitar players like you how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Today we have Sugar We're Goin Down by Fall Out Boy. Comment down below if you think this is pop punk or emo music. And let's dive in. The most important thing before we start is that this song is going to be played in drop D tuning. So what that means is strings 1 through 5 will all be standard tuning, and then the 6th string, the low E string, will be tuned down a step to a D instead of an E. That's drop D tuning. The song's going to start with 4 harmonic hits. That's just me resting my fingers on the strings and hitting the strings 4 times. And then it's going to kick in with a big D chord. So that's open 6th, 5th, and 4th strings, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd fret, 2nd string. Then we'll move up to the 5th fret. So we have 5th fret, 6th, 5th and 4th strings, and then we have the 7th fret. My pinky's on the 7th fret of the 3rd string. Slide that same formation up to the 9th fret, and then back down to the 5th. And the right hand rhythm is going to be all 16th notes, so it's just going to be up and down strumming throughout most of this song. Four harmonic hits at the end of that. And then the rhythm guitar will repeat that same part, and the lead guitar will be introduced here. It's going to be playing this. So what that part is the 7th fret, 3rd string, 7th fret, 2nd string, 3 16th notes, then to the 5th fret on the 2nd string, 3 16th notes, then to the 8th fret on the 2nd string, 3 16th notes, back to the 5th fret, and then 2 16th notes on 7, 2 on 5, and then repeat. So altogether that part sounds like this. And make note that the middle finger stays on the 7th fret of the 3rd string throughout that part. It's only the 2nd string frets that are moving. Now we're into the verse. The first half of the verse has no guitar. Halfway through, this guitar part will come in. So that starts with the index finger on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string, and then your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And we'll add the 4th finger to the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and then pull it off. And then we do this little pentatonic block pattern, which is 2nd fret on the 4th string, and then 4th fret on the 4th string, then 2nd on the 3rd, 4th on the 3rd, back down to second on the third, and then to fourth on the fourth. Altogether, that part sounds like this. Then we jump into the pre-chorus. These are palm muted drop D power chords where we're barring the first three strings all on the same fret. In this case, it starts on the 4th fret, up to the 5th, up to the 7th, up to the 9th, then to the 10th, back down to the 9th, and then it ends on the 5th. Pay attention to when those chords change. It's not on the 1 for every chord. Some of them are changing on the and of 4. When we hit that last chord on the 5th fret, we'll add the pinky and ring fingers to the 7th fret of the 2nd and 3rd strings. And then we jump into the chorus. The chorus is very similar to the intro. Exact same so far. Now here it's going to change a bit. We're going to play the first 4 notes of the chord, and then we're going to emphasize the high notes on the 5th hit. So it sounds like this. And repeat. Change chords. Change chords. And then we're going to repeat the pre-chorus as sort of the pre-verse here. So it'll start on 4th fret, up to 5, up to 7, up to 9, 10, 9, back to 5. One more time, full speed. And then we're into the second verse. Just like the first verse, there's no guitar in the first half, and in the second half, this guitar part comes in. In reality, there's 2 different guitars playing there, but that one is obviously the more prominent one, so that's the one we'll focus on. It's just going to be octave swiping, 5th fret, 5th string, and that'll include the 7th fret on the 3rd string, up to the 7th fret on the 5th. From here we go into another pre-chorus and a chorus. Everything's the same as the first time through. Coming out of the second chorus, we play this. So that's just 2nd fret, palm muted, and then ring open. So we're just going to let that ring while the vocals are singing at this point in the breakdown. And we go up to the 5th fret. I am adding my pinky to the 7th fret of the 3rd string here, just like we did in the intro riff. At this point, the rhythm guitar will keep playing those chords, letting them ring out, and that intro guitar line comes back in. As we end the breakdown, this guitar part will play. Okay, so all I'm doing there, second fret on the second and third strings, and then I'm just adding my middle finger to the third fret of the second string. And then at the very end of the song, you'll hear this. And then that intro guitar will come in and play the last part of the song. Was Pete Wentz cool or was he just annoying? Let me know in the comments down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life because we do, in fact, have souls.